Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. I am on behalf of Helping Mind. In this video, you are going to learn how to change desktop icon size on Windows 7, 8 and 10. Now I will show you how to make icons bigger, smaller or extra large in two ways. Keep watching. You can see my desktop app icon sizes. Now I will change it. To change it, I will right click on the empty space and select view. You can see large icons, medium icons and small icons. I will select medium icons and it changes the desktop icons. Again I will right click on the empty space and select large icons, and you can see the desktop icon size is changed into large icons. I will select a small icons and it will change into a small icons. Now I will open a folder to see on the folder. I open this folder targeted project named, and here I will right click on the empty space of the mouse and select view, and you can see extra large icons, medium icons, small icons and list. I will select extra large icons and you can see the folder icons is changed into extra large. I will select empty space and select view, and here I will select a small icons and it will changed small icons. Thus we can select extra large icons or medium icons. It depends on you. Now I will go to my desktop and I will show another way, and it's very easy way. You have to hold Ctrl and scroll up mouse to increase the F icon size. You can see if you want to decrease your F icon size, hold Ctrl and scroll down mouse. Thus we can increase and decrease desktop icon size. There is an interesting thing. It is work on web browser and MX Word. I will open my browser and hold Ctrl and scroll up mouse, and you can see it's zooming. And if you want to zoom out, hold Ctrl and scroll down mouse. You can see it is work on MS Word. It's very easy and interesting thing. Now I will go to my desktop. So viewers, hope this video will help you to change your desktop icons in this way. If you like this video, hit the like button, video share it with your friends and be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.